Pizza cooking tips. Making a delicious pizza at home can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Use high-quality ingredients. The quality of your pizza will only be as good as the ingredients you use. Be sure to use fresh, high-quality ingredients for your dough, sauce, and toppings. 2. Get the right tools. You don't need a lot of fancy equipment to make a great pizza, but there are a few tools that can be helpful. A pizza stone or steel will help you get a crispy crust, and a pizza cutter will make it easy to slice your pizza. 3. Preheat your oven. Preheat your oven to the highest temperature it will go. This will help you get a crispy crust. 4. Don't overcook your pizza. Overcooking your pizza will make it dry and tough. Keep an eye on your pizza and take it out of the oven when it is cooked through. 5. Let your pizza rest. Once you take your pizza out of the oven, let it rest for a few minutes before slicing it. This will help the cheese to set and the pizza to hold its shape. 6. Get creative with your toppings. There are endless possibilities when it comes to pizza toppings. Get creative and experiment with different flavors and combinations. 7. Enjoy your pizza. Making pizza is a fun and rewarding experience. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. Here are some additional tips for making a great pizza. Use a good quality flour. The type of flour you use will affect the texture of your dough. All-purpose flour is a good choice for most pizzas. Let your dough rise properly. The rising time will vary depending on the recipe you use. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully. Use a thin layer of sauce. Too much sauce will make your pizza soggy. Don't overload your pizza with toppings. Too many toppings will make your pizza heavy and difficult to eat. Cook your pizza until the crust is golden brown. The crust should be cooked through but not burnt. With a little practice, you can make delicious pizzas at home that are just as good as, or even better than, the ones you get from your favorite pizzeria.